Hey, this is Chase with SLE Equipment. We're located in Antioch, Tennessee, 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee. You can call us at 615-641-7720, or you can look us up online at sleequipment.com. Today, we got our LSDL Landshark 18 horsepower Vanguard electric start debris loader with our 6.4 by 14 utility tandem axle leaf trailer. This right here is designed for all your, your fall pickup with your leaves and all that kind of good stuff. Just trying to combo everything in all together to make it more convenient and everything for you. On this specific model, you can get this, like I said, this is the 18 horse Vanguard. You can get this trailer with any of my debris loaders I have on my website. But like I said, the one right here is my Landshark 18 horse Vanguard. On the trailer, you're gonna have a 2-foot platform on the front for the debris loader to go. You're gonna have your brake box right there. Up on the front coupler, let me show you, you do have your safety chains right here. Here's your brake and light hookup. This is a 6-foot mesh trailer. You have an opening right here for your debris loader to shoot all the stuff you're sucking up. As you come around, you'll see there's also a tarp kit on the top. These are going to be normal standard fenders. This has two 3,500 pound axles on them with brakes on one axle. On the back end of your trailer, you're going to see that you have a 4-foot mesh tailgate. This tailgate, if you come around to the right hand side of the corner of it, is a spring assist to help you out with the weight. These are going to have normal box lights on the back of these trailers, but they're going to be into the framing. Going around it, you'll see that you have a spare tire mount on your right hand side right here. And that is my debris loader with my trailer that's listed online. You can find the trailer by itself online if you already have your own debris loader, or you can find the debris loader by itself online if you already have your own trailer, or you can package the boat together and get them both together all in the same one package. If you have any other questions, you can call us at 615-641-7720 or look us up online at sleequipment.com.